Welcome. Today I'm going to share with our knowledge sharing channel and what we're going to provide you. On this channel, we will provide lectures, presentation for pharmacists and other healthcare provider, and we're going to focus on pharmacist practice area for like hospital pharmacy practice, community pharmacy practice, and some clinical pearls to pharmacists can use. I need your help. So please like my channel, this video, and also please subscribe. Once you subscribe, you get notification for next videos and lectures. And also, I'm looking for or waiting for your comments and share. On this video, series of presentation and lecture, we're going to focus on pharmacist practice and 2 minutes or 10 minutes presentation or lecture. And this also going to help for our healthcare provider like physician, nurses, and pharmacy technician. So I'm waiting for your feedback. This is Nadeem Zia, pharmacist.